Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing something a little different. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of gouache paintings, mini sketchbook aesthetics on Instagram, particularly with this Himi brand. So I got this for myself and we're going to unbox and review this today. First thoughts, it's quite a heavy box and it's a lot larger than it looks online. Before I continue, this video is not sponsored. For future advertisers, feel free to drop me an email and quotation. Okay, so there's a little color card inside. It's written in Chinese, which I can't read. Oh wait, it's written in English too. There's quite a lot of new color names here. I wonder if it's different from acrylics. Now, for the fun part, they come in these jelly cups. It looks quite little, but let me give you a comparison. It's 30 milliliters, so it's about 3 times more than the usual acrylic paint tubes that it comes in sets. What I'm going to do now is to take it all out, remove the cover and rearrange it. After taking them all out of their slots, I've realized that I've messed up. The names of the colors are not labeled on the thing itself. Or it might have been, but it's printed in Chinese, which again I cannot read. So I guess I'll never know now. There's no turning back, so I'm going to proceed and rearrange it the way I like it. Peeling this off is quite easy and the pigments look great. I like that this came in 56 colors. The more the merrier. There are some really nice pastels too. Halfway organizing, I'm still trying my luck to figure out the colors to no avail. So I'd probably name them light orange to dark orange and so on. If you like green, you would love this set. They're pretty generous with green, although I wish they have more shades of purple, blue and pink. Grey too. There's like only one shade of grey here. Remember when I said it was easy to peel off? I take it back. My thumbs are hurting now and my hands are splattered in paint. I've also realized that the top one was not black but actually blue. So if you want to refer to a color chart, here's the tip. You need to rearrange the whole thing in sequence as the card. So we're going to close this off for now and on to the sketchbook. I always paint on canvas. I find it difficult to blend on paper. And canvas always seemed a little more profitable when selling compared to paper. This is what happens when you have a business mind but an artistic heart. But like I've mentioned earlier, I've been seeing a lot of beautiful sketchbook artwork, and I thought it'd be fun for some stress-free quick paintings. A new sketchbook excites me. Those blank pages are like a symbol of endless possibilities and adventures with the paintbrush. Originally, I wondered if I should do the whole swatching process with the gouache paint, test its consistencies and so on. But quite frankly, I don't have the patience for that, and I think the best way to learn is to dive right in, which is what I'm doing now. First thoughts, the paper feels nice, thick and coarse. I like that it has this thing here where you can tear it off if you want to frame it or sell it as a postcard. This is only my second time painting on a paper, but it feels a lot better than the other paper I bought. I'm not sure if it's the paint, but I like the consistency of the gouache too. It's a bit smoother than acrylics, a combination of maybe somewhere in between watercolor and acrylics. The paint feels a little bit thinner, but the color is looking great so far. It dries quite fast, pretty much the same with acrylics, but it gets activated with water, so it's a bit tricky when painting in layers. I like it, but I'm still more comfortable with acrylics. Having said that, I think this is great for light sketchbook painting, both the gouache and the sketchbook. Here's the finished painting. It's quite matte. I don't think I've blended properly, but frankly, I think for 56 colours, this is a steal. And painting on these cold pressed watercolour pads were a lot better than I expected. I think it's great, especially for some short and quick paintings. It's been a while since I've painted something light and easy, so I'm looking forward to filling up the pages. So here's the end of the review, if it counts as one. I'm horrid at it. I never knew reviewing something would be so boring and difficult. What's the verdict? Buy it. If you're a hobbyist artist, just get it. You won't regret it. 56 colours might be a bit difficult to lug around, so the smaller sets will be perfect for some impromptu sketchbook plein air painting. But 56 colours have a lot of pretty shades. Trust me, you'd be inspired to paint too. So I'll see you guys next video with the proper painting. Thank you for now and see you again soon. Bye!